for more. Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an email signature on Microsoft Outlook. Create custom signatures that can be automatically added to your email messages. Email signatures can include text, images, your electronic business card, a logo, or even your handwritten signature. Select New Email. Then select Signature and go to Signatures. Select New, type a name for the signature and select OK. Under Edit Signature, type your signature and format it the way you like. Select OK and close the email. After that, select New Email to see the signature you created. If you have multiple signatures, go to Choose Default Signature and select the one you want to appear on new messages. You can always change to another signature when writing in the email. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.